Welcome IBDEA members. In this quick guide, I will walk you through how to download the IBDEA member app on your iPhone or Android. Log in and explore its powerful features. Now all you need is yourself and a mobile device. Otherwise, let's get started. So for the first step, I'm going to go through how to download the IBDEA member app. First, you're going to want to open the App Store on your iPhone. If you have an Android device, you can go along with our steps. You will just need to go to the Google Play Store instead of the App Store. Once you're in your store, you're going to search for the IBDEA member app. Once you see our logo, tap Get or Download, and your app will start installing. It's quick and easy. Once the app is downloaded, tap Open to launch the app. It's important to note enabling push notifications. Once you've downloaded the app, you should ensure that you say yes to enabling notifications. This way you never miss an important announcement or app update in real time. You can also get up-to-date notifications about events, deadlines, member information, news, and more. Step 2 is going to be logging into the IBDEA app. To log in, you're going to use the same credentials as you would enter on the IBDEA.org member site. Enter your email. You will then be prompted for security purposes to enter a code that IBDEA will send to your email. Locate your email to gain the code and enter the code in to gain access to the app. This is just a one-time feature. Now that you're in the app, step 3, let's explore the key features. On the home screen here, you'll find all the exciting IBDEA areas, such as regular and associate member directories. Here you can click on either of these areas and find contact details and centralized resources to connect and network. The Industry Partners directory is here also, where members can gain direct access to vetted, reliable industry partners. The IBDEA member portal is also on the app and is a critical area where we will touch base on. Additional areas of the member app include IBDEA events, where you can stay up to date on upcoming activities like the IBDEA 2025 conference, groups where IBDEA posts in search of or for sale items, the IBDEA curriculum, which also showcases the IBDEA U Academy and upcoming dates to trainings and workshops, an area to learn more about the IBDEA Scholarship Fund and donation opportunities, as well as an About Us section to gain more insight on the IBDEA Association. There is a Contact Us area at the bottom where you can reach out directly to an IBDEA representative to gain more information and insight. Now that I've covered a few of the pivotal areas in the IBDEA membership app, let's go back to how to update your member portal and take advantage of maximizing your visibility within the IBDEA community. Step 4 is going to be updating your member portal. To edit your information, you're going to go to the IBDEA member portal area, and when you click on the left-hand hamburger menu, a drop-down will appear to edit this profile. You'll click on Edit this profile, and from here, you'll be able to scroll down and complete all of your personal information to ensure you're up to date and members have access to updated information. Once finished, you can scroll to the top and click Save this profile. Additionally, you can click back to the hamburger menu and view additional areas where you can also enter additional information such as your phone numbers, additional emails, addresses, include your social networks, and more. Now that your personal profile is updated, you will scroll to the top and click Switch Profile. Here you will click on your company profile. Then we will click on the left-hand hamburger menu again. Click on Edit this profile and scroll down just like we did on our personal, ensuring all of your company info is up to date. Once updated, I will scroll back to the top and click Save this profile. Just like with my personal, you can click on that left hamburger menu once more and gain further access to promoting your company information. You can add or update to your directory listing, embed a video, add social media links for your company, or update products and services. This helps members find and connect with your company easily and gain access to your offerings and services. Once you've updated your member information, you can ensure you are more connected with IBDEA members, informed, and can capitalize on your membership benefits. For step 5, it's important to highlight how to access event updates. Here you will see that area for IBDEA events. This area lists all the upcoming IBDEA events, like the upcoming 2025 annual conference in St. Pete Beach, Florida. You can gain critical information like conference agendas, speaker lists, and venue details, not to mention common FAQs and a new marketing resource and tools area where you can download social media assets to further promote your company's involvement, like at the IBDEA 2025 conference. You can even register for events directly from the app. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. You should now be able to take full advantage of the IBDEA member app and all its benefits. Update your member portal profile, connect with fellow members, join groups, network, and never miss an event or announcement. If you need further assistance, be sure to contact our support team through the app or reach out to us directly at ibda.org. Thank you again. Until next time.